Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on ads about Pinterest on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, now click here, now click settings, and now click privacy and data. And here we'll find this ads about Pinterest. Just click on it like this, and this will be turned on. And that's how to turn on ads about Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.